Press the bell icon to never miss a video from Popexo Daily.
Hi guys, today is a very special day for us because today we celebrate 1 year of Popexo, Plixo and MindGlam coming together. And it's been such a crazy year, so much has happened and I am more than delighted to be sitting here.
I feel super excited. I think it's been a great 1 year. We kind of define our MindGlam journey as pre-Popexo and post-Popexo. What it means post-Popexo, I think developing new products, it has a whole new meaning altogether now because we earlier relied on market research, global trends, a lot of need gap analysis, but now we're actually talking to consumers and engaging to consumers real time, taking their feedback, doing focus groups. So I think we're developing products exactly on the basis of consumer needs and delivering them exactly what they want.
Of course, I feel great because firstly, I feel like such unions don't happen every day. It's like two amazing brands which work entirely for women come together. So there could nothing really be better than that. Like Popexo does the most relatable content, MindGlam does the most amazing products, and when such two brands come together, you know that you struck gold.
It was only fitting for MindGlam and Popexo to come together. MindGlam is one of the most coveted beauty brands in India, and Popexo has this amazing and fun beauty content and its wide consumer reach. It was just amazing for both of them to come together and create products directly for the consumers out there.
So it honestly feels great because after MindGlam and Popexo came together, there's been a lot of new challenges, we had a lot of fun, new brands to work with, so it's a great experience.
1 year of MindGlam and Popexo, wow, such an amazing feeling, such a proud feeling. The last 1 year has been so amazing, full of such exciting milestones. It's a great feeling.
Well, I've been working with MindGlam right from its inception. So I've literally grown MindGlam from 0 SKUs to 800 plus SKUs. That's where we are today. How we are different in the past 1 year? Well, since I had a new product development, I'd say everything is different. We now have access to Popexo 60 million women users. We're constantly engaging with them, talking to them, listening to them, getting their inputs and ingredients and formulas on textures and formats, and that's how we're developing our products and concepts.
I've been working with Popexo for more than 2 years now, but it's amazing how all of us came together as a team during the Popexo MindGlam merger, even when things were really difficult because of the pandemic.
So I've been working with MindGlam for about 4 years now, and essentially we've been a core beauty company with focus on business online and offline. With Popexo coming on board and with MindGlam and Popexo coming together, we've started seeing the real content game.
So it's been 1 year that I've been working for MindGlam and Popexo. I think it's been different in a way that things have become more intense, exciting. We've got to do so many new things ever since Popexo merged with MindGlam, whether it's campaigns, whether it's giving your all sorts of creative inputs. We've put together some fabulous and brilliant launches that women have loved.
Well, I have been working with MindGlam now close to 2 years. Nothing really changed where work is concerned. It was really good to work together. That is what I can say.
It's been such a crazy fun year. It's been really a pleasure to see both the companies coming together. we released our first ever ad film featuring Shraddha Kapoor, who also joined us as brand ambassador and investor. We closed our Series C raise of $71 million. Companies like Amazon have backed us, and overall it's just been a fantastic year.
First and foremost, Shraddha Kapoor being our brand ambassador. I think that is the most exciting thing for me. To be working for a beauty brand, wow, amazing. And of course the Great Glam survey, wherein we are asking women what they want and actually creating those products. So these three for me top the list.
Our most exciting part of this union will be the Beauty Creator Program. I absolutely love it. Like, we're actually listening to each and everything that our end audience has to say, and then we are working and developing stuff based on that. And secondly, it will be the great beauty content that we have on social media, and of course Shraddha Kapoor.
My favorite aspect has to be the co-creation of products that we've been doing with our audience to give them the beauty products that they really want.
Well, one aspect that I really love is the Great Glam survey that we started, when we started taking our audiences or our customers' requirements or their opinions as to what they like. So yes, that was the most amazing part for me. Also the focus groups that we started having, wherein we asked our users or our customers right from the color of the bottle to the shape of the eyeliner packaging, was something really amazing that happened to me. I can think of actually, according to me.
My favorite aspect of MyGlam and Popexo coming together is the people. All these colleagues that we got last year have made this whole journey so seamless, so easy. It has been such a joy working with them. I only wish that we could meet and that we could actually, all this brainstorming and ideating that we do, we could do it in person, because I'm sure that would bring a certain energy to the table that so far we have not been able to because of work from home.
When the MyGlam Popexo union happened, there was a lot of excitement, but at the same time, I think it was, we were also very anxious. How would the marketing be? How would the content be? How would the new product development now be? I think the vision was to create this content to commerce strategy. That was the expectation, and reality is exactly just that. And I'd say, we would have been happy with a 2x, 3x, but I think we've grown to I'd probably say 7x expectation, and I think it's worked just fantastic. It's just been a great unity.
With MyGlam and Popexo coming together, I feel like the reality is actually better than expectations. So yeah, the last 1 year has been super exciting. We have done a lot of great work together. There's a lot in the pipeline, and it's turned out well, and I hope we continue to grow together.
So when we started the journey last year, I was, I knew it was a big merger and all, but I knew that the growth will be this high. So if I see 1 year back and if I compare right now, the growth is just exceptional. We are reaching certain heights every day. We have our benchmarks, we're meeting them, and we have set our targets really high. And I'm pretty sure with coming years we'll be achieving all of them.
When we started last year, vision was more than vision. There were a lot of questions. How do we synergize content and makeup together? What would happen next? However, now I feel we've all transitioned so smoothly, working together, getting to know each other, sharing each other's ideas, making this a wonderful place to work, and making it wonderful for our customers also. So that is the best thing.
When MyGlam and Popexo came together, the vision was to create the largest content community commerce company in South Asia, and I feel like we're on the right track. We have done so many amazing things, so many amazing campaigns in the last 1 year. We've been hitting all our milestones, and I think that we are going to get there, absolutely.
I think we're on the right path, and we just need to take it on the next level. For example, now we're engaging with 60 million women users. We of course want to double that number. We want to create tons more focus groups, constantly real time talking to them, meeting them, getting concept ideas from them. So I think the path is very clear.
Well, together, what I want us to accomplish is to become the go-to brand for all Indian women. Like, I want them to think of us the moment they wake up, when they're going to bed, and basically come to us for all of their beauty, fashion, lifestyle, all kind of needs. Yeah, like everyone should know what is PopXO, what is MyGlam, and about all the amazing work that we do together.
MyGlam has already taken a large step forward by this association between MyGlam and PopXO last year. So I think we're on the right track, and it's just going to get bigger from here on.
Maybe merge with the newer brands, get more on board, have more challenging experiences, and really hoping for office to start back so we all can work together, meet the teams and have a good time. Like also more than work, just chill as well.
Going forward, I just want MyGlam and PopXO to keep doing bigger, better things together. In the last couple of months itself, we've announced so many exciting things. Baby Chakra coming on board, Shraddha Kapoor coming on board, and our Series C funding round. It's just been like one happy news after another, and I hope that this continues and just becomes bigger and better.
I'm super excited about what the future holds. I really can't wait to share all the exciting things that we're doing with you. So watch this space. And congratulations to all of us. It's 1 year of PopXO, Plixo and MyGlam. Happy 1 year anniversary, guys.